Hi, this is Sharon Lim. I blog at sharonitwithyou.blogspot.com, and today we're doing this fun fold inspired by Melissa Faust, another fellow demonstrator, using the fruit salad DSP. Look how fun that is. I also use the stylish shapes for this lovely banner and the forever plaid for the embossed part. Let's get started. Alright, so card base 5.5 by 4.25, DSP 5.25 by 6, scored at 2 inches, a piece to emboss 4.25 by 2 3/4, and a basic white piece 2 5/8 by 4 1/8. So let's start with the piece that's scored. I love the watermelon motif. We're going to go ahead and glue this in. I like the faster you kind of do it, the thinner it gets and won't get so blotchy, I guess. There. Then I'm going to go ahead and emboss this with a forever plaid. And that will go right here. So you need to remember just to only adhere it on the left side so you don't close up your card. Try to center it equal distance on both left and right side, and then this is going to go in and it's going to be covered by it, so try to line it up a little bit. There we go. And then this, before I'm going to go ahead and emboss it, and I use the Changing Leaves stamp set. So I did, the first one is a little note to brighten your day. I'm going to use this one, You Are Amazing in Every Single Way. First step first, I'm going to use the lovely embossing buddy to get all any moisture, anything, finger oils off of there. We're going to use Versamark. It's a slow drying ink, which will help with the embossing. Bring in my embossing powder. I keep it in a Tupperware to keep it all in one place and not having to replace it back and forth. A couple taps, and then we're going to go ahead and emboss it. And there we go. And then we're going to get some dimensionals to place on here. And it's going to be, I think this is a good spot right here, so not quite to the edge. And that is it. Let me bring back the original card. And there you go. Thanks for letting me share this with you. Please like, comment, and share this video with other people that might enjoy this video tutorial. And please subscribe to my channel so you can watch any of my over 100 video tutorials and more to come. Thanks for letting me share this with you. Have a great day. Bye.